So one of my friend's birthdays is this week, and I wanted to make him a cake. I'm gonna have to send it to him because I can't actually see him in person, but we're gonna do that today. So what we need right now is a cake mix. I got Betty Crocker's super moist carrot cake mix, some vanilla frosting, and 1 can of Dr. Pepper. So for this recipe, you can pretty much use any sort of soft drink or carbonated beverage. I'm going to take the frosting, I'm going to put it back here on the stove so that heats up just enough to where it's actually easy to spread. And all you have to do right now is you take this cake mix, and the mixing bowl. All right. So any sort of carbonated beverage you could use, and it's 12 ounces, so just a 12-ounce can of anything, and then you just dump that in the cake mix. And you just stir it up. All right, looking pretty good. It'll start off kind of frothy, and then it'll turn into more, liquidy, but more cake batter like. And you just kind of throw that. Oh, pocket. Spread that out so it's nice and even. Make sure every piece is nice and perfect. All right, and I should have mentioned this before, but you're going to want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees at this point, or 325 if you're using a metal pan. But at this point, this is ready to go. And so I'm going to put it in the oven. And then set timer for, we're going to do 31 minutes. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you in 31 minutes, and we'll check out this cake when it's done. All right, see you in a few. Welcome back. So the cake has been cooked, looks perfect, ready to go. It is cooled down, because you don't want to try to ice a hot cake. It will become a hot mess. It'll be a delicious hot mess, but still a hot mess. So, wait till it's cool. You do, however, want to warm up your icing. You can run it in like a warm water bath for maybe a couple of minutes, just so it's nice and pliable. Right, and then So I know this time is kind of hard for everybody, but I feel like for those people who have a birthday during this time, it's kind of especially hard. So, that's why I kind of wanted to make this cake. Just kind of, wish my friend a happy birthday, and be able to share in this moment, even though we're not able to like be together. I just want you to know that I'm thinking about you, and I hope you have a happy birthday and make the best of it. There's lots of fun stuff to do still, even though we can't do all some of your favorite things. There's still lots of fun stuff to do. So it's just about done. All right. So there we go. So here, buddy, here's your cake. Happy birthday, and I hope I get to see you soon. Okay, everybody, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.